Okay, here's the dark sword while I'm having an issue. It'll cut off. Yep, it cut off just now, and I didn't hit the power button at all whatsoever. The battery is at 100%. I'll give you a double check. I'll hit the power right here real quick.
Charging.
Okay, it's not charging. I'm gonna reset it real quick right here.
Powering on.
Okay, it's powering on, and I'll give you an indication that it's at 100%.
Battery at 100%.
Okay, so we got the battery at 100%, and it seems to be defective on this font. So I need some resolution. If you could send me a new hilt, and I'll send this one back to you, but I need the other one first. I'm not going to ship this one back and wait another couple weeks for a new hilt or anything like that. So anyway, I recently bought these. I don't want to be a pain or anything, but you know, I got it and it's defective already. So I don't know if it's a update like I said, or if I have to flash it. And also too, I don't know how to access the SD card area because I don't have the manual. So if you would send me a shortcut so I can get to the inside and take everything out as far as the SD card and update it and flash it and all that with new fonts and all that. So I don't know if I take out these screws or not, these set screws. If I do, please let me know. I'll send the link to you like I said. So yeah, blade is securely in, set screws are in, which is good. And the other hilt, like I said, doesn't give me any issues. It's only this one. Okay, so I waited most of the day for these things to charge. And they're charged, and I was ready to start working out with them. And I can't because it cuts off on this font. It only happens on this font. So I'm assuming, or I'm hoping, that it's only an update problem or a font issue. So I'm not sure, but please let me know. Thank you.